So hey guys, welcome to GizDev, and my name is Abhishek, and today we'll see about how to fix the Chrome showing about the managed by your organization. So there is a simple fix for it. Just go to the Chrome and go to the settings, and first need to restart or reset the settings. So as you can see in the image, the managed by your organization will be seen in the Chrome. So I have tried lots of things, but I have come to this simple conclusion, and this is a simple fix. So you will need to apply just in the 2 minutes. So if you want, you can reset the settings of the Chrome. It is not mandatory, but if it doesn't work, you should do it. So just after resetting the settings, just press the Windows plus R button to open the run option and type regedit. It will open up the registry settings. So after opening the registry setting, it will ask for administrator control. So press S and go to the directory as I am showing you in the video. Go to the HKUI local machine. Then go to the software and then find the policies section. So here is the policy section, and in this policy section you will find the Chrome option or Google Chrome option, like you can see in the video. I have deleted it already, so I don't have the continuous video. I have captured the snapshot. So just right click on it and delete it. So now after doing this, go to the same HKUI current user settings and then again go to the policies and find the Google Chrome. So find the Google Chrome folder, and here you can see the Google Chrome folder and or Google folder. So just right click on it and click on the delete button. So after applying all these settings, you just need to restart your PC or laptop. So guys, if this solution or method worked for you, hit like and subscribe and comment below. If it doesn't work, I will provide you with another solution or maybe some different type of methods or something else. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and comment below if it works or not. So hit like and subscribe. See you in my next video.